Malloti aramba kutyisidzirwa ati haasi kuzokumbira ruregerero. Ataura nevakamuinvita vacho veSummer Festival akati mari yenyu handisi kuzokudzorerai chero muchinge makumbira kuti ndikumbira ruregerero, it is not going to happen. Ataura zvakare akati veInterpol ngavauye vamusunge ari kuZambia uko kwaari kupefoma. She does not care at this stage. Aburitsa pachena kuti this happened when she was still a juvenile. Nyaya yeWanted yakatopera kare. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So she released a statement this morning akati this is my official press release as Malloti as an independent artist since I have my own contract with Y2k. Dear Y2k Sama Festival, this is my official statement regarding the Summer Festival. It suggested that I must apologize to NSAIDs in the UK. I do not see any problem with what I said. You knew I had a pending case in South Africa that I defaulted court. The reason why you booked me is because you confirmed that my case wouldn't affect my visa application. If I must ask forgiveness face to face to go on with the show, that means consider this as my official withdrawal application with immediate effect. From Malloti as an independent artist, we had a own contract as an individual artist. So that I can update my gig guide and announce that 4 April is now open for booking. You had given me a security deposit of 1,650 and I will not be refunding it. That's if you decide that we cannot continue with the show, since I did not apologize. Malungende is a movement. So at kukumbira regerero harizi vara rinoshanda mudictionary rake. Akatombonzi akumbira regerero kwa Passion Javoko. Instead of apologizing kuna Passion, she decided to spend 2 nights murimande nekutoenda kukoti. Akati vara rekuti sorry rinomuremera zvakanyanyisa. Azowedzera mashoko ake akati Interpol munoiziva here imi ananova musi wa 21 February I'm going to perform in Zambia. Muye nayo pa airport. Do you think Y2k ingangondipa deposit 1.6 kuti vaite loss? The founder of Y2k has been in this industry for decades. If this case was that serious, I was never gonna mention it on the biggest podcast in Zimbabwe. It was already public knowledge and even they knew. Ziya maVisa imi kuvadarika madofo evanhu. Bees up and down kusoreta noise over useless things. Mune maVisa evarombo eupoteri. Meme muchitoda citizenship as well. So you must have a clean record. Zvandiri kutaura is like saying, Malloti, you never get a job because you have tattoos on your face. Ndinoridi basa inini. You see, when you are seeing my coming to UK using how you applied for your visa, maVisa evarombo. Saka musazvifananidze neni. My UK booking was 2,650. They paid me deposit 1.6. 2.6 ika I take home because they provide flights, visa and accommodation to perform for 40 minutes yet. Ulengende is even more than that. My dad stays in the UK. Motidai risiri diri kwatiri handidai vana vedu vari kuwekoko. This case happened when I was 16. I was a juvenile. I even got bail on the case. As you can see on the screenshot below, it's written that a warrant of arrest was issued for defaulting the court of justice, meaning I was out on bail attending court in Chibakumba. Do you even know Chinon's criminal record? I have never been convicted of a crime in both South Africa and Zimbabwe. Pandakasungwa in 2023 here in Zimbabwe, both cases I stood trial and the verdict was not guilty. And I got acquitted and discharged. Iyoya Java, I refused to apologize because he had said if I apologize, he was going to withdraw the case. And I said I want to go to court. I did a verbal bail application after spending 2 nights in the cells and I was granted. I later got further remand refusal from the court and I was removed from remand. For South Africa, I went to SA in 2023. You can check my post angwa 2023. Ndaperekedza mama vangu and I contacted my other co-accused and he told me that he was on a free remand as well. The case couldn't proceed to trial because all the witnesses were not cooperating with the investigating officer. Then the case was discharged. I then contacted the detective that I was in SA and he told me that it was worth it if I had plans of moving back to SA. I said I was now based in Zimbabwe full time and at that time ndandisina kufambira izvozvo because zvaizotora time because I had accompanied my mom on errands and he said I can come when I'm free, that if I'll have any future plans in SA And at that time, I didn't, because my mom and sis were also now based in Zimbabwe full time. But when I started music, instead of using my money, which I didn't have at that time, to book a hotel and a flight, just to go fix that matter, I had planned that if I get a booking, as in a show in SA, I'll ask the promoters to book the flight at least a month earlier. Then I'll only pay for accommodation, so that in the going to fix nyaya dzangu. And I'm gonna do that in May, because in Dope I did a booking to South Africa. They will make the flyers once they finish paying the deposits for both shows. Obviously, if I go to proceed with the case, I will likely be discharged as well, because all my co-accused, who even played bigger roles in the robbery, were discharged because of lack of evidence to proceed to trial, because the complainants were not showing up for court, and also the key witnesses were not complying with the prosecutors. I'm the only one who got bail, and I was attending the court in Chibakumba. I got bail because I was a juvenile, number 1. Number 2, I was still in school. 3, my role in the robbery was very small, as they later asked me to be a state witness. Apa all my accused, vavasondiship apa my statement abukuti sisi vanga vasipo, because they knew I was the weakest point in the gang. And for sure that was their plan, cause the detectives didn't allow it and charged me as an accomplice as well, because they wanted to use me as a plan B, to offer me a deal to use me if they didn't get enough evidence. And when the witnesses and complaints stopped complying, vavasati vataura, I had just gotten bail. But of course that was their next move, because they fought hard kutindisa buritskwe munyaya. If you listen to my interview kwa Ola that I did last year, my brothers knew how the cops operate, that they tried to get me out of the case. That's why as soon as I got bail ndakatiza to avoid snitching on my gang in the exchange of immunity. That means that I would have to tell the court what really happened. And I couldn't do that because of loyalty kuvanhu vangu. So because of mapero akaita case iyi kuvamwe vangu, I will likely get the same result. That means my crime that I committed is defaulting the court of justice. And if you turn yourself in to the court that you defaulted and give a reasonable explanation, they will likely get the warrant cancelled without paying the fine or serving the sentence that comes with being found guilty, or defaulting the court of justice without reasonable explanation. Then they will cancel the warrant. Then bail will be reinstated because I was already out on bail. And they will give you date rekudzokera court because the case was still in remand court and couldn't proceed to trial because my prosecutors and detectives lacked zvikwanisiro zvokuenda kutrial court. Even ukabatwa zvisiri zvokuti waenda wega, when they take you to court from police custody and fail to give a reasonable explanation of why you couldn't come to court on the date that you were supposed to come, and also show you didn't turn yourself into court, it's either you get sentenced, and mostly the sentence will be 30 days with an option of 300 rand fine or 30 days in prison. After that, then they will then decide if they want to revoke your bail or to reinstate it. Court date. And in my case, I gladly believe that I'll be discharged too, since all of my co-accused were discharged. To all those who want to confirm, I can give you the investigating officer's number. Though he is now a judge at the High Court, he can confirm kuti nyaya iyi ndechokwadi. So ndo mashoko Malloti aya atipa nyaya yake neudimbu akanyatsoiexplaina kuti munhu wese anyatsonzwisisa kuti iye haasisina mhosva guys. Mwari kuti usaende ku-UK kwacho vanogona kukunyudzana nhova avo vane godo, vanofarira downfall yemunhu, ngavagone kuimbawo sewe vagobhukiwa panext festival. Netizens ari kuti nyaya yako tainzwa, asi pamwe pacho zvazvisachanzwisiki kuti zviri kuenda nekupi, asi nyaya yedu imwe chete, usaende ku-UK kwacho vanogona kukunyudzana nhova avo vane godo, vanofarira downfall yemunhu, ngavagone kuimbawo vagobhukiwa sewe panext festival. Never apologize when you are correct. Iwewe unoisa vanhu panzvimbo dzavo, full stop. Ivo ngavangogara ku-UK kwavo, isu tichagara kuZimbabwe kwedu. Asi Y2k yacho haina email address here or communication channels zvainoita kuudzwa paFacebook. Dai movement yatsvaka manager ipote ichipindura zvese musinganetsekane nekutraya kupleasa everybody. When common sense escapes, you don't say goodbye. Uri kufunga kuti wakapenga, iwe uri kutopenga, uri kukachidzwa nepride. Uri munhu wenzara-nzara. kunyora 3000 word paragraph nekuda kwokutadza kuti sorry zvaita seiko. Uyu anonzi ulengenda ari kutotongwa naMwari. Kupiwa mukadzi akaita sevasingagoni kuti sorry, aiwa mukomana ari pama1. Don't give people too much information about yourself. One day it will come back to bite you. Don't underestimate the power of social media, the power of your fans. You started to attend courts at the age of 16. Your long story might be used as evidence against you in the spirit realm. Mune simba rekunyora zvelife yenyu pasocial media. Kokungotsvaga mari unyerere wakangwarira pane kuti utauri. Utotadza kurara uchinyora zibhuku rese iri trying to explain. Ukutoziva kuti UK uri kutoida but mukano chaimo hauna. You have not yet arrived in life, Malloti. So chimbomira zvokuganza zvese izvi. Vanokuda vanokudza chokwadi and they will not hype zvinhu zvisipo. It looks self-incriminating. However, hope you get a good lawyer and put all this behind you. So ndo mashoko ari kubva manetizens vari kuti nyaya yako tainzwa yakareba chose, asi kana usingadi kuenda kuUK, kana UK isiri all that, kunozvinetsere zvako nekuexplaina. Iwe ngotaura nemapromota ako wazo kuti handisi kuyako, zvatopera. Team UK changonayo usipo pane kuti urambe uchivaudza kuti maVisa avo ndeechinherera. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.